Today on Kea Kids News.
We're here at Mayfield School in Otara to check out County's Manukau Sport Pedal Power. It's a free cycle skills program for Year 4 to 6 students. Have you ever ridden a bike before?
No, this is my first time.
Kia ora, this is Sophia reporting for Kea Kids News. Kids in Otara are learning new cycle skills, which is all part of the plan to get more bikes and less cars on the road.
So now we're going to scoot with 2 feet. How many feet are we going to use? 2! Nice, good, okay?
These kids are learning how to ride a bike for the first time. Have you ever ridden a bike before?
No, this is my first time.
What's the hardest thing about riding a bike for you?
Stopping.
How often do you see kids that don't know how to ride on a bike?
Every single school we go to.
What have you been doing at the Pedal Power program today?
We have been learning how to tighten our helmets and learning how to protect ourselves if we fall off the bikes.
It should be a one finger space, but here I can put my whole hand. So that means it's too loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to adjust it, my straps.
What have you been doing at the Pedal Power program today?
We've been playing games, having fun, riding bikes around.
How do you get to school?
I walk or sometimes I get dropped off. If I had a helmet and a bike, I would ride to school.
We're gonna do a bike check to make sure that our bike is safe to use. So we have something called ABCD check.
The A is for the air,
We need to check that the air pressure in our tires are pumped up.
B is for the brakes,
From moving.
C is for chain, and D is for direction.
Also, we teach them the real basic safety rules when riding a bike out on the road. Learning about signals, so left signal, right signal, stop signs.
Why do we need more kids biking?
So we can exercise more.
Do you have a bike at home and would you bike if you had one?
I would, but I don't have a bike now.
How much has this made you want to get a bike?
It made me want to get a bike for Christmas.
And what's been your favorite part of the program?
Riding around, playing games, and the punishments.
Tell me about the punishments.
We all have to do a TikTok dance,
Nice, good job. And back on your bike.
dart jumps.
1, 2, 3.
What do you think the biggest barrier to kids riding to school is?
I think owning a bike and the prices of bikes, that might be one of them. Also, another thing is Auckland is really busy. So just having the confidence to ride around in Auckland might be another barrier as well.
So if you had a good bike, would you ride to school?
Yeah, I would.
Can you show us what you've learned today?
Okay.
Wow, look at Georgia go. Today's her first time riding a bike. Looks like these kids have had a really good time. This has been Sophia reporting for Kea Kids News.
Thanks to New Zealand On Air.